Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing good. Students, today we'll start with electromagnetic induction. We'll solve objective questions on electromagnetic induction. All right. It's a very important chapter. Little tricky too, but the way you have been doing, అన్ని ఎలా చేస్తున్నారు అలానే చేస్తే ఇది కూడా బాగా చేస్తారు. చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు మీరు. And we have got students. So we have got Reddy, Yadav, Venkatesh, Sai, Andrew. Oh, hello, Andrew. Mangesh, Raju. All right, quite regular students. Good students, good, good. Be regular as you are. All right, let's get started, students. Here's the first question. Frequency of direct current is dash hertz. Frequency of direct current is dash hertz. 0, 50, 60, 100. Yes, Bhanupriya, good evening. Okay, answers are pouring in. Yadav says 2, Satya says 2. He says direct current, students. Frequency of direct current. Alternating current kaadu. Yes, Raju is perfect. Raju is correct. Yeah, excellent, excellent, excellent. Now answers are correctly pouring in. Yes. Sai Teja, Reddy, Ramu. Right. It's Sindhu, Shravani. Yes, Cherry is correct. Sindhu, it's again, think again. Srinivas, you're right. Reddy is right. Bhanupriya is right. Satya, think again. He says direct current. All right. Direct current, presumably, it's to be assumed that it's a constant current, constant unidirectional current. Yes, Cherry, Bhanupriya, Bhanu, all of you are correct. Good. It's 0. Perfect. Let's go for the next one. When a current passes through a straight conductor, magnetic field surrounding conductor will be straight lines, parabola, closed circles, hyperbola. ఒక కండక్టర్ ఉంది స్టూడెంట్, స్ట్రైట్ కండక్టర్ ఉంది, పెద్ద కండక్టర్ ఉంది, లాంగ్ కండక్టర్. మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అరౌండ్ సరౌండింగ్ ద కండక్టర్ విల్ బి hyperbola, parabola, circles, closed circles, straight lines. Satya is right. Sita, think again. Tanuj is correct. Take a minute, students, but think again and answer. This such diagrams you have seen it in textbook. Srinivas is correct. Bhanupriya, Reddy, Saiteja, Raju. Excellent. Raju, think again. It's yes, Bhanupriya is perfectly correct. It's closed circles. All right, Ramu, please focus on what we are doing. Within the solenoid, magnetic lines of forces are okay. Dash pass from south pole to north pole, pass from north pole to south pole, north to south, and south to north. Does not pass. So how magnetic field lines around ఉంటాయి లోపల, solenoid లోపల ఎలా ఉంటాయి? మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ లైన్స్ లోపల ఎలా ఉంటాయి చూడండి, సోలనాయిడ్ లోపల ఎలా ఉంటాయి? దట్స్ ద క్వశ్చన్. సోలనాయిడ్ లోపల మీరు చూసి ఉంటారు, ఓకే, డయాగ్రామ్స్ లో, ఫిగర్స్ లో. Yes, Saiteja is correct. Andrew is asking inside, within the solenoid. Outside, your answer is correct. But within the solenoid, think again. Yes, Bhanupriya is correct. Shravani is correct. And that's one. Correct. Pass from South Pole to North Pole, Lopala. It acts like a bar magnet, right? Okay, here. SI unit of magnetic flux is. Let's go faster now. SI unit of magnetic flux is Tesla, Weber, Weber per meter, Newton. Yes, Srinivas, Reddy, Andrew, you're all right. All right. It's Weber. All right. Let's go forward. The magnetic field is called uniform if magnetic field uniform ఎప్పుడు అంటారు స్టూడెంట్స్? మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ రీజన్ లో మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఉంది, దాన్ని యూనిఫామ్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎప్పుడు అంటారు? మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ కాదు, ఏ ఫీల్డ్ అని యూనిఫామ్ ఎప్పుడు అంటారు? స్ట్రెంగ్త్ అండ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫీల్డ్ ఆర్ చేంజింగ్, strength and direction of the field are constant. Only magnetic field strength is constant, only direction of magnetic field is constant. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇంకా టాపిక్స్, వేరే టాపిక్స్ కి చూడాలంటే మీరు ఛానల్లో, యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చూడొచ్చు. రైట్, వేరే టాపిక్స్ కి కవర్ అయిపోయినాయి, ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని టాపిక్స్ అయిపోయినాయి, నాట్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని టాపిక్స్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఇంకా రివిజన్ కోసం మీరు మళ్ళీ చూడొచ్చు వీడియోస్. ఎస్, రాము ఇస్ కరెక్ట్, రాజు ఇస్ కరెక్ట్, Sukanya is correct, Reddy is correct, Saiteja is correct, Satya is correct, Cherry, Tanuj, Andrew, all of you are correct. Very good students. Excellent. It's strength and direction of the magnetic field are constant. Appude constant uniform magnetic field antaru. This students. It is a good question. Graphical question. Graph based question, students. The graph shows relation between induced EMF phi and time t, during which time period there is no change in induced electromotive force. Six to 12 seconds, 2 to 6 seconds, 0 to 6 seconds, 6 to 8 seconds. There is no change in induced EMF, students. Induced EMF change ఏదంటే ఎలా చేస్తారు? Okay, Venkatesh, we'll do that. We'll take note of this. Classification of elements kada. Okay, we'll take note of this. We'll do it. All right, Venkatesh, we'll do it. All right, look at this question, students. Phi, yes. Bhanupriya is correct. Bhanupriya, you're correct in almost every, no, not almost, every question మీరు correct చెప్తున్నారు. Very good. Cherry is correct. Reddy is correct. Srinivas is correct. Satya is correct. Ramu, Sindhu, Bhanupriya, Sukanya, all of you are correct. Excellent. Your concepts are very clear, students. బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. It's 2 to 6 seconds. Good. The solution, students, దీనిది మీకు ఎలా అర్థమైపోయింది. సో యూ డోంట్ రిక్వైర్ దిస్. ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ మీకు బాగా క్లియర్ ఉన్నాయి. Or just to tell you again, 5 చేంజ్ కావట్లేదు స్టూడెంట్స్, ఫ్లక్స్ చేంజ్ కావట్లేదు. సో d5 బై dt is 0. 2 regions లో అవుతుంది, 2 to 6 లో అవుతుంది, 8 to 12 లో అవుతుంది. సో ఆప్షన్స్ లో 2 to 6 అని ఇచ్చారు, 8 to 12 ఇస్తే 8 to 12 కూడా కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఆల్రైట్. Matrix matching students, match the following and select correct option. Group A, Group B, dynamo rule, magnetic field, electromagnet, magnetic flux. Group B has Gauss, Fleming's right hand rule, Weber, microphone. So to match one to Group A to Group B. Okay. Hello Nikita, good evening. Seems like you've joined late, but that's okay. We've just started. So any questions I but let's continue from here. Good evening, Nikita. Yeah, let's see. I mean, if you're correct. Yeah, two. Two is absolutely right, students. If a charge q having mass m perpendicular to the magnetic induction field B with velocity v, then the radius of circular path of moving charge 1 mv by bq, 2 bq by mv, 3 mv bq, 4 0. Radius అడుగుతున్నారు students. Yes, Andrew, we can do that. Classification of elements చేద్దాము. We can arrange the class, but timings we'll let you know. All right, we'll have it in the same time every day evening. But we'll have classification of elements. All right. Yes, Sukanya is correct. Tanuj is correct. Raju is correct. Raju, please think again. 1 mv by qv students. ఎలా వస్తుంది? ఫోర్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు mv స్క్వేర్ బై r తో డిరైవ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది. Alright, look at this. When a current carrying straight conductor of length 2 meters moves perpendicular to magnetic induction field strength of 2 Tesla with velocity of 10 meter per second, find EMF induced in volts. Motion EMF students. ఎంత EMF induce అవుతుంది? So how do you do? EMF formula ఏమి యూస్ చేస్తారు స్టూడెంట్స్? What's the concept behind it? Motion EMF. Formula ఏమి యూస్ చేస్తారు? Venkatesh, please focus on what we are doing. It's 40 students. Look at this. This is how it's done. BLV sin theta. Since the conductor moves perpendicular to the magnetic field, theta is 90 degrees. So BLV sin 90. So B is 2 Tesla, V is 10 meter per second, L is 2 meters. That is 40 volts. Induced EMF is 40 volts. Okay. Number of field lines passing through the plane of area A perpendicular to the magnetic field is called magnetic induction, magnetic flux density, solenoid. It's a simple question, students. Yes, Reddy is correct. Srinivas is correct. Raju is correct. Sindhu is correct. Vanupriya is correct. Yeah, correct. Sukanya, Sindhu, Sandhya. Venkatesh, please focus on what we are doing. It's magnetic flux. Flux, students. Number of lines passing through plane of area A perpendicular to the magnetic field line is called flux. Right? Magnetic flux. Or any field. A flux అంటారు. ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫ్లక్స్ కూడా కావచ్చు అది. ఇప్పుడు మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫ్లక్స్ అవుతుంది. Electric power generated in a circuit placed in uniform magnetic field in electromagnetism is electric power generated, students. I delta phi by delta I delta t by delta phi by I delta phi by delta t, P is equal to I. Yes, Bhanupriya, you're right. Cherry, Bhanupriya, Nikita, Sridhar, all of you are correct. Andrew, Reddy, very good. Oh, Bhanupriya, that's nice. That's nice. Magnetic flux. That's nice. Yes, it's correct. 3 is absolutely right. Ramu is correct. Raju is correct. Bhanupriya is correct. Sridhar, Andrew. Excellent, excellent. Let's go forward. The induced current will appear in such a direction that it opposes the changes in flux in the coil is. Which law is this, students? Ampere's law, Lenz's law, Ohm's law, Faraday's law. Yeah, Nitin is correct. Bhanupriya is correct. Satya is correct. Cherry is correct. Sukanya is correct. All right, look at this question, students. The induced current will appear in such a direction that it opposes the changes in the flux in the coil is. Ampere's law, Lenz's law, Ohm's law, Faraday's law. Yes. Sridhar, Sridhar, think again. Sandhya, think again. We are doing electromagnetism, students. Electromagnetic induction. It is definitely not Ohm's law. Yes, Nitin is correct. Lenz's law. So, what is the definition? The induced current will appear in a direction that it opposes the changes in the flux in the coil. Which of the following converts mechanical energy into electrical energy? Motor, battery, generator, switch. Students, which of the following converts mechanical energy into electrical energy? Mechanical to electrical అడుగుతున్నారు students. Please be careful. Electrical to mechanical కాదు. Yes, Bhanupriya is correct. Okay, Nitin is correct. Ramu is correct. Good, good, Nitin. Good, Ramu. Cherry is correct. Reddy is correct. Sridhar is correct. Excellent, students. The way you are performing is really, really good. Energetic. Let's go forward. The value of magnetic flux density, which is uniform, is 2 Tesla. What is the flux passing through a surface of area 0.5 meters square perpendicular to it? ఫ్లక్స్ అడుగుతున్నారు స్టూడెంట్స్ మనం ఇంతకు ముందే ఫ్లక్స్ డెఫినేషన్ చూసాము ఇప్పుడు ఫ్లక్స్ వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలి మనం ఫ్లక్స్ డెఫినేషన్ ఏం చూసాము ఎస్ వెంకటేష్ శ్రీనివాస్ సంధ్య రాణి భానుప్రియ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ కరెక్ట్ one Weber students it's like this magnetic flux density is 2 Tesla area is half meter so phi is equal to b times a or b dot a b times a perpendicular kada so sin 90 is 1 so b times a is 2 into half which is 1 Weber yes good Nitin is correct Sai is correct Andrew is correct Reddy, Srinivas, Bhanupriya, Nikita, all of you are correct. Very good. The value of a 10 Newton force acts on a rectangular conductor of 5 centimeters long placed perpendicular to the magnetic field. If the current in the conductor is 50 amperes, then magnetic field కనుక్కోవాలి స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫోర్స్ ఇచ్చారు లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది కండక్టర్ ఇచ్చారు కరెంట్ ఇచ్చారు ఫోర్స్ ఇచ్చారు ఫార్ములా యూస్ చేస్తారు yes Bhanupriya is correct Satya is correct all right let's look at the solution 4 Tesla correct Nitin is correct Reddy is correct Yadav please focus Ramu is correct Sai, please check your calculation. This is how we do. F is equal to VIL, V is equal to F by IL, and that's it. 4 Tesla. Bhanupriya, that's absolutely right. Nitin, absolutely right. Yadav, Reddy, Srinivas, Bhanupriya, Raju. Good, excellent. Let's go for the next one. Magnetic field lines near a long straight wire out of this already we have seen this question students in the mundu vachindi mali repeat ayindi similar question not same exact same question similar question long straight wire చుట్టూ అరౌండ్ ది మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ లైన్స్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్ హైపర్బోలా పారాబోలా కాన్సెంట్రిక్ సర్కిల్స్ అని మాట్లాడడం క్లోజ్ సర్కిల్స్ అని చూసాను చూడండి సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ మళ్ళీ ఇంకో విధంగా ఆడుతున్నారు. No, students, it is not radial lines originating from the wire. He is asking magnetic field. Tanuj is correct. Venkatesh, think again. Sai, think again. Bhanupriya is correct. Tanuj and Bhanupriya are correct. Andrew is correct. All right, it is concentric circles centered around the wire. All right, ఒక వైర్ ఉంటే ఇలా వైర్ ఉంటే దీని చుట్టూ సర్కిల్స్ ఉంటాయి. కరెక్ట్, కాన్సెంట్రిక్ సర్కిల్స్ ఉంటాయి. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ కంట్రోల్ తో మనకి డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఫీల్డ్ లైన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఆల్ రైట్, విచ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీ యూనిట్ ఇస్ రాంగ్? ఏ పేరు తప్పు? ఈ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఏ పేరు తప్పు ఉంది? Induced current is ampere, magnetic flux is Weber, magnetic flux density is Weber per meter square, induced EMF is Tesla. Students, you have got biology session now. Stay tuned. Students, Raju is correct, Andrew is correct, Reddy is correct, Sindhu is correct, Tanuj is correct. That's good. Induced EMF Tesla. Induced EMF is Boltzmann actually. Right? So that's absolutely right as of now. So let's conclude EMI now. Let's go for biology session. Madam is waiting for you all. Stay tuned. I request Fatima ma'am to continue the session.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, it's chemistry session, not biology.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Students, it's chemistry. I'm so sorry, ma'am.
All right. Good evening, students. I hope you all are doing great. So please do not leave the class. We have chemistry. Okay. So we will be doing questions from chemistry also. Okay. And our today's topic is very important as well as interesting topic. Okay. Let's start. Okay. So students, our today's topic is balancing equation. Okay. So we will be learning how to balance the equation in this session. Okay. We have also done this, but because this is very important topic, we will be practicing more questions from this topic. Okay. And if you have any problem, you can ask in the chat box. Let's come up to the questions. First is like, there is a simple equation given before you, that is H2 plus N2, and it gives NH3. Okay. You can see here we can write some numbers. Rule of balancing the equations. Let us see which numbers we cannot change. These H2, N2, when the numbers are written like this, we cannot change these numbers because they means molecules. Okay. 2 indicates that there are 2 H atoms. Okay. Now, and this number should not be changed. Similarly, we cannot change 2 in N2 as well because this is also doing the same thing. And we cannot change 3 in NH3 also because it is representing 3 atoms of hydrogen. Right? So, if we have 2 molecules of H2, 2 molecules of N2, we can write 2H2. Okay. Prior to the name of the element, you can add on the numbers. Okay, if we have 7 molecules of H2, what we can write? 7H2. Okay. So if we have 4 molecules of NH3, we can write like this, 4NH3. Okay. Now let us count the atoms. We can see on the right side, means okay, let me tell you, left side is always known as reactant side and the right side is always known as the product side. Okay, students? So on the left side or the reactant side, we have 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay. So see, like this, 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So we can do like this. H2 plus H2 means what? 4. So we can write there are 4 hydrogen atoms. Now let us count the atoms. In NH3, there is 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atoms. So if we write 2 NH3, what will be there? 2 atoms of nitrogen and 6 atoms of hydrogen it will become. Right. So for balancing the equation on the reactant side and on the product side, the atoms should be equal in number. Right. Now we know we cannot change the number of molecules. So what we will do, we will add on like this. See, let's count N atoms on both sides. There are on the reactant side, there are 2 N atoms, and on the product side, there was only 1, so we made it 2. Now, when we made 2N on the product side, we find out that the number of hydrogen has increased to 6. So, what we will do? We will add 3 on the reactant side and we will equalize the hydrogen atoms on both the sides. Okay? This is how we balance. Similarly, again, the next equation H2 plus O2 gives H2O. So how we will write it? Like this. Here are the rules and the balanced equation is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Okay. We will apply all these rules in all the equations. Understood? I hope everyone has understood. Yes? Let's quickly see again. C plus S8 gives CS2, right? So we can see there are there are 8 atoms of sulfur and 1 carbon only. So what we can do? We can change the number of atoms, or the number of sulfur and number of carbon. What we will do? We will balance first sulfur. We will add 4 over here. Then we can see the carbon is increasing by 4. We will add 4 on the reactant side as well. Right? Like this. And the equation will be like 4C plus S8 gives 4CS2. Okay, this is the balanced equation. Okay. Let's come up to the questions. Now, quickly answer the questions, students. Okay? I hope everyone... Yadav, do you have any problem? Have you not understood anything? As you said, I am very fast. Students, if you haven't understood, I will tell you again. No problem. Hello, Nikita. I hope everyone has understood. Please write in the chat box, students. Okay. Let's do the questions. First question. A balanced equation contains, number 1, equal number of moles of reactants and products. Option number 2, equal number of molecules of reactants and products. Option number 3, equal number of atoms of different elements on reactant side and product side. Option number 4, all the above. Quickly write the answers, students. Option number 3. Okay. I can see many of you are writing option number 3, Reddy, Rambatullah, and option number 4 also. Students, the correct answer is option number 3. Equal number of atoms of different element on reactant side and product side. Not all the above, because see, equal number of moles you cannot take on reactant and product side. So what is the correct answer? It is option number 3. Next, which of the following is true about balanced equation? Number 1, it is balanced by trial and error method. Option number 2, it gives a ratio of number of molecules of reactants and products. Option number 3, molar ratio of reactants and products. Or is it option number 4, all the above? Quick, students. Okay. All right. I can see. Okay. Many of you are saying it as option number 4. Let me see. The correct answer is option number 4. Well done, students. Darshan Sagar, Bhanupriya, Sindhu, Reddy, all of you are right. All those who have selected option 4, Nikita, Venkatesh, check your answer. The correct answer is option number 4. Okay. Next. X H2 plus Y O2 gives Z H2O. The values of X, Y, and Z in a balanced equation you have to find out, students. Okay. Okay, Srinivas, Vemula Srinivas, I'll explain you in this. See, just a question is given before you that XH2 plus YO2 gives ZH2O. In this, you can see on the reactant side, we have 2 hydrogen, right? And on the product side also, we have 2 hydrogen, right? Now, if we come up to the reactant side, we have 2 oxygen, right? 2 atoms of oxygen are there. And on the product side, we have only 1 oxygen. Means oxygen is not balanced, right? So we need to balance. We need to make equal. So what we will do, we will write over here 2H2O. Now, on the product side, if you are writing 2, oxygen is balanced now on both the sides. 2 oxygen product side also, 2 oxygen reactant side also. But hydrogen has become disbalanced, right? Hydrogen has increased by 2. Means 4 hydrogen has become, if you are adding 2 hydrogen, 2 over here on the product side, you need to add 2 oxygen. You need to balance hydrogen on the reaction side. Hydrogen is increasing, right? So what we will do? We will write again 2H2. Now hydrogen is also balanced. Oxygen is also balanced on both the sides. Okay. So this is the balanced equation. Okay. So now you can find out in this what is the value of X, Y, and Z. See, this was the question. Okay. See, X 2, Y 1, and Z 2. Right? This is the value of the equation. The correct answer is option number 2. Okay. Well done, students. All of you are right. Okay, Andrew, I'll not use red from now onwards. I hope you have understood, Srinivas. This is how we balance the equations. Okay, we have now acid, base, and salts. Okay, what are acid, base, and salts? We will do pH scale. First of all, what is the pH scale? A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. That is known as pH scale. Okay, P stands for potens. Okay, and in journal language, potens is power. All right, students. So pH simply indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. Okay. pH value of sal is 7. If the pH value of solution is 7, it is neutral. If it is less than 7, it is acidic in nature. And if it is more than 7, it is basic in nature. Okay. The strength of acid base depends on the concentration of hydrogen ion or hydroxyl ion produced in the solution. Okay. If we take a hydrochloric acid and acetic acid of the same concentration, they produce different concentration of hydrogen ions. And acids that give more hydronium ions, that is H3O plus ions, they are said to be strong acids. And that one gives fewer or lesser hydronium ion, they are termed as weak acids. Okay. The pH scale is from 0 to 40. Okay. So from 0 to 14, it means 0, 1 be the most acidic. 0 to 7, when you will come, the acidity will decrease. Means 1 will be lesser, then means highly acidic, but less acidic than 0. Okay. And from 7 is the neutral. From 7 to 14, the basicity of any solution increases. Understood? Okay, are plants and animals pH sensitive? Yes. Plants and animals are also pH sensitive. Living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH change. Okay, when pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. And when acid rain flows into the rivers, it lowers the pH of the river water, and the survival of the aquatic life in such rivers become difficult. Okay, tooth decay also. If the pH of your mouth is lower than 5.5, it means it is acidic and the tooth enamel will start decaying. Calcium phosphate is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water, but it starts corroding when the pH of your mouth is lesser. Okay, lesser means less than 5.5. It is acidic in nature, and that's how you get tooth decay. Okay, pH in our digestive system. In our digestive system, hydrochloric acid is produced. It is secreted by the stomach to digest the food. Okay, so but if this increases, the concentration of hydrochloric increases in your stomach, you feel irritation, you feel pain, and to balance it, you take bases known as antacids. Okay. Magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia is a mild base that is used as a medicine or as an antacid to balance the pH of your stomach. Okay, salts of strong acid and strong base are neutral and pH value is 7. Okay, the salt of strong acid and weak base are acidic. Okay, and the salts of strong base and weak acid will be basic. Okay. Some salts are given. Okay, salts. What are salts? Salts are ionic compounds which are produced by the neutralization of acid with base. Okay. Salts are electrically neutral. There are number of salts, but sodium chloride is most common. That is the common salt that you use in your food also to enhance the flavor. Okay. The common salt is an important raw material for various materials of daily use such as sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder. Okay. Common salt, that is when electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is called brine, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide, and the process is known as chloroalkali process. Okay, students, because of the products form chloro for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. The equation or the formula is like this: 2NaCl aqueous solution plus water, that is 2H2O, gives what? 2NaOH aqueous plus Cl2 plus 2H, sorry, H2. Okay. Students, please do not talk in the chat box. Focus on the class. Okay. Bleaching powder. This is also a kind of salt that you use in your houses for washing the clothes. Right? Yes, pH of the mouth changes after eating the food also. If you are taking something acidic in nature, for example, you can say cold drinks, the pH of your mouth will increase. And if you are taking something basic, then it will decrease. Okay. Bleaching powder, this is the formula. CaOH whole twice plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2 plus H2O. Okay. Again, baking soda. Baking soda is a mild non-corrosive base, and it is also used in cooking, in the cakes, right? To raise the dough. The following reaction takes place when it is heated during cooking. Baking soda formula is NaHCO3. Okay. When you heat it, there is a formation of a compound known as sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Okay. Washing soda, sodium carbonate. This is again another salt that you use. Another chemical that can be obtained from sodium chloride, that is Na2CO3.10H2O, also known as washing soda. Okay. You have seen that sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda, and recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. Okay, means when you are cooling sodium carbonate, you get washing soda. Okay. In the presence of water, when you will cool, you will get washing soda. Okay. Plaster of Paris. This is again uh, Andrew and Yadav. Please do not talk in the class. Focus. Focus on the topic. Okay. Plaster of Paris is again a kind of salt which is used in our households. Okay. And even in the plastering of fractured bones also. Okay. To bring the bones in the right position. Okay, on careful heating of gypsum. Gypsum is CaSO4 CaSO4 2H2O. Okay, when you will heat it at 373 Kelvin, it will lose water molecules partially to become calcium sulfate, that is CaSO4 half H2O. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate or plaster of Paris. Okay, when it is half H2O is there, that is why we call it as hemihydrate. Okay, this is known as plaster of Paris, and this is also used when you get a fracture. Okay, at that time you get plaster. So this powder is used to bring your bones into the position. The formula is CaSO4 half H2O plus half H2O gives CaSO4 2 H2O. CaSO4 2 H2O is gypsum. Okay. Okay, students, now come up to the questions. Which of the following is sour to taste and soapy to touch? Your options are number 1, CH3COOH. Option number 2, HCl. Option number 3, H2SO4. Option number 4, NH4OH. Okay. Sai, Rambatullah, Reddy, Yadav, Raju, Devasini, you all are right. The correct answer is option number 4, NH4OH. Well done, students. Excellent. Your topics are clear. Darshan Sagar, Srinivas, very good. Next, the color of the methyl orange in acidic medium is option number 1, yellow. Option number 2, green. Option number 3, orange. Or is it option number 4, red? Hurry up, children. I want every one of you to answer the questions. Okay, Sita Lata is saying 4. Yadav is saying 1. Andrew is saying 4. Nitin, Dan, Devani. Okay, Nitin. I'll pronounce only Nitin. Is saying 3. Students, I can see many of you have selected option 4. Bhanupriya, Yadav, Nitin, Sai, Reddy, and all of you are correct, students. Excellent. Very well answered, students. Next, the color of the phenolphthalein indicator in basic solution is number 1, yellow. Option number 2, green. Option number 3, pink. Option number 4, orange. These kind of questions are very important, students. pH color changing questions come in every exam. Okay. So please practice these type of questions a lot. Learn all the pH indicator colors. Okay. All right, students. The correct answer is option number 3, pink. Okay. Not orange. The correct answer should be pink. Option number 3. All those who have selected option number 3, you all are right, students. Next, I can see Rambatullah, Raju, Sai, Sridhar, Andrew, Yadav. All have said pink only, and you all are right, students. Well done. Next, color of methyl orange in alkali condition is option number 1, orange. Option number 2, yellow. Option number 3, red. Or is it option number 4, blue? Quick, students, answer the question. Color of methyl orange in alkali condition. Orange, yellow, red, or blue? Too many, two. Correct answer is 2 only. All of you are right. Nitin, Reddy, Sai, Rambatullah, Bhanupriya, Tindu. Very well done. Keep answering like this, students. It will be easier for you to crack the questions. Exams, sorry. Next. Which of the following is not a character of acid? Option number 1, sour to taste. Option number 2, turns blue litmus red. Option number 3, soapy to touch. Option number 3, liberates hydrogen gas with metals. Okay, students. Darshan Sagar, Yadav Sai, Reddy, Sindhu, Ayan, Homo Ayan. All of you are correct. The correct answer is option number 3. It is the characters of bases. Sridhar, well done. Well done, students. Okay. Onion is a number 1, olfactory indicator. Option number 2, chemical agent. Option number 3, synthetic indicator. Or is it option number 4, contain HCl? Hurry up, children. All of you are correct, students. The correct answer is olfactory indicator. Option number 1. Andrew, check your answer. Right answer is olfactory indicator. Next. Which of the following is liberated when acids react with acids? Option number 1, O2. Option number 2, H2. Option number 3, N2. Or is it option number 4, Cl2? Acids react with acid. Yes, students, hydrogen is the right answer. Well done. Next, formula of acetic acid is option number 1, HCl. Option number 2, CH3CHO. Option number 3, CH3COOH. Or is it option number 4, HCOOH? Formula of acetic acid. HCl, CH3CHO, CH3COOH, or HCOOH. The correct answer is option number 3, CH3. Next question. Formula of sulfuric acid. Number 1, HCl. Option number 2, H2SO4. Option number 3, HNO3. Or is it option number 4, CH3COOH? CH3COOH cannot be there. Just now we came to know that it is acetic acid. Yes. Now because it is asking for sulfuric acid, there must be some sulfur. So the correct option is option number 2. Bhanupriya, Yadav, Nitin, all of you are right. Andrew, you all are doing great, students. Impressive answers, impressive responses. Okay, let's do the one last question. Which of the following compound is present in white precipitate formed by passing CO2 gas through CaOH whole twice solution? Option number 1, NaOH. Option number 2, Na2CO3. Option number 3, CaCO3. Or is it option number 4, CaHCO3 whole twice? Okay, I can say there is confusion between 2 and 3. The correct answer is option number 3, students, CaCO3. So all of you, those who have selected option 3, you all are right. Sindhu, Sai, Bhanupriya, Yadav. Option number 3 is right, students. Well done. All right, students. I am concluding over here. Okay, we will do few more questions in the new upcoming classes. Till then, stay tuned. And do not forget to subscribe Jatadhara Educational Technology. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye everyone.